Hey everybody, this is Eric Clark's Travel Videos, and I'm at Flaktürm, and that's this thing back here, and it's a gun tower and a military kind of base back in the old days. But let me take a look, show you a look at it, and it's pretty amazing. It's huge, and I did a drone of it too, so you can see that as well. But pretty neat stuff. Let's go look at it. Can you see it back there? There you go. That's a better picture for you. Okay, let's go look. So it really is this huge tower. Is that amazing? Flaktürm. And I think it was anti-aircraft and military and defense. And let me get up here and I'll show you more. There's a little sign I'll go over here and I'll capture for you so that you can see it. But you can see how big this thing is. It is like enormous and crazy, and you know, but I've never seen anything like this before. And I guess it was for the war side of things, but wow. Look at it. Enormous. And I wonder if it's like in, obviously it's in disrepair. You can see parts of it are broken, and that part up there is shifted downward and everything else. So maybe it's fallen apart, and they fenced it off. So maybe when a piece falls off, that it doesn't wipe out a family or a picnicking group or something. But look how big this is. This is huge. I mean, that probably is, I don't know, a couple 100 feet across, but yeah. Absolutely amazing. Wow. Huh. So this is in the park really close to my house, so which is kind of neat. And the neat thing about this is, you know, I bet probably not very many people in this world have seen inside or the top of it. But with the drone view, you can get up there and see the top. But yeah, pretty amazing. And it looks like it's really thick cement too, so I bet it weighs a ton. Here it is, and it's called Flaktürm, and that's what it looks like in the picture. And then here's what the words say, and hit pause as needed. But it's a control tower, gun tower in Augarten, are two totally 6 anti-aircraft towers in Vienna. Okay, so there's 6 of these things somewhere. Anyway, hit pause if you need to. Well, there's a thing. You can scan the barcode off your screen if you have it. Anyway, okay everybody, I just wanted to give you a quick taste so that you know that there's some interesting things here in Vienna. Wow. Okay everybody, bye-bye.